When you're developing embedded AI platforms, deploying robotics, or building connected systems, you need compute that integrates seamlessly, both physically and architecturally. The extremeEDGE series was built for just that. Rugged enough for harsh environments, AI ready for demanding workloads, and compact enough to fit directly into robotics and other space-constrained systems, all the while featuring a baseboard management controller the size of a quarter. These systems perform at the edge without solely relying on the cloud, and leading the way is our entry-level extremeEDGE 1000 series. Small enough to integrate into tight spaces, tough enough for harsh environments, and powerful enough to keep your workloads running when everything else goes dark. Let me tell you more about it, starting with the build. All EE1000 series systems are built fanless with rugged heat-dissipating enclosures that keep your system small and resilient without adding cooling complexity. Rated from -40 to 60 degrees Celsius, these machines thrive in extreme heat and freezing temperatures. In addition to extreme environments, the EE devices are resilient against vibration, dust, and power variations. And as if this wasn't enough, these systems can also be treated with a conformal coating at the PCBA level, allowing for higher level of protection against moisture and chemical intrusion, making them ideal for industrial or harsh environment deployments. At just 3.5 inches square, the EE1000 series fits into vehicles, kiosks, drones, and backpacks, or can be mounted on DIN rails, freeing you to deploy in any space or fit into any existing system without redesigning for compute. Each SKU comes with specific I/O, from single display setups with USB Type-A's to triple display configurations with extra USB-C ports, giving you options to connect multiple displays for digital signage or IoT devices for your own systems. When it comes to ease of use, I have to mention that all the 1000 series SKUs also include Toolless access for easy component swapping and troubleshooting. For example, I have the 1170 in my hands, where you'll find 32 gigabytes of DDR5 single-channel RAM at 4800 MHz and a total storage capacity of 8 terabytes from the NVMe Gen 3 M.2 slot. As of today, there are currently 6 EE1000 models, and the EE1170 leads the family with Intel's N100 quad-core processor. At just 10 watts of power consumption, this unit will keep your power bill low without sacrificing performance. On to the networking side, the 1170 also offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and LTE or 5G connectivity, which means these systems can stay online anywhere, anytime. Whether you're deploying them across mobile fleets, isolated locations, or on a surveillance tower, you can count on a reliable connection. A unique use case for our LTE feature comes from our good friends over at Digital Barriers. They use our EE1170 to stream video feeds over a cellular network, allowing them to run uninterrupted live video in a remote or congested location. An example of true wireless IoVT deployment for security and analytics. Now, other models do offer varying configurations of networking options, custom made for your specific needs. For a complete list of variations, you can find the link to our extremeEDGE page down below. All the 1000 series units include dual 2.5 gig Ethernet for data aggregation, camera streams, or network surveillance for those who offer security solutions. For IT teams managing edge infrastructure, SNUC's revolutionary Nano-BMC modules deliver a new standard in remote system control. Built on the powerful Open BMC stack with Redfish API support, this compact baseboard management controller transforms how you manage edge deployments, giving you full visibility and control to monitor, update, and troubleshoot from anywhere on the planet. Whether it's 10 units on a local network or 10,000 units spread across remote global sites, eliminating the need for physical access and reducing downtime to near zero. It's enterprise-grade management engineered for the edge. Last but not least, if you're building an application where the EE1000 fits into your workloads, let's talk about partnership. At SNUC, we're not just another hardware provider. We're your partner in deployment. From white glove services like pre-imaging and dedicated technical support to white labeling and even custom hardware designs, our team makes sure your application or workload runs seamlessly at the edge and scales with confidence. And if your needs go beyond the 1000 series, well, just stay tuned because we're going to be creating more content about our EE2000 and EE3000 lines, which are actually available today. So if you want to find out more, head on over to snuc.com. I'm David Kosloski. Thanks so much for watching.